If you have a problem where you can't find most of the games in Google Play Store, first we'll need to launch it. Then let's actually try finding something like, for example, Call of Duty. So there's multiple different games, but there's no Call of Duty, even though this device does support it. Now we can fix this by going back. Then on the home panel of Google Play Store, click on your profile in the top right corner and move to the settings. Now enter family and go for parental controls. Inside you can either deactivate your parental controls and then enter the PIN, or go for apps and games, type in your PIN and increase PG either to 18 or allowed all including unrated. And now we can save it, go back and try to find this same game again. So as you can see, Call of Duty is right here and we can install it.